Hello everyone, this is my point of view regarding to our topic, the global interstate system. So the instruction was using our Facebook or TikTok account, we must browse our news feed and examine the most talked about relevant issues that people are posting about. So it can be social, economic, political, or cultural. So it caught on my attention regarding the impeachment of VP Sara Duterte. The first question is, do you think this particular problem or issue is affected by globalization and our country's relations with other states? How? The impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte is a complex issue with domestic and international dimensions. While globalization and international relations might not directly influence the legal proceedings of the impeachment, they can have indirect effects. As a Filipino, I am deeply concerned about the state of our democracy. Today, we face a crucial moment in our nation's history. The impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte has sparked intense debate and divided our nation. It's a stark reminder of the challenges we face in upholding the rule of law. The second question is, in what ways can our country, the Philippines, exercise and maintain sovereignty in governance and policy making in resolving global issues in our local context? The Philippines can exercise and maintain sovereignty in governance and policy making while addressing the global issues in its local context through several key strategies. First is prioritizing national interest. The Philippines should prioritize its national interest when crafting policies related to global issues. This means carefully considering how international agreements and global trends might impact local communities, industries, and the overall well-being of Filipinos. Second is active participation in international organizations. The Philippines should actively participate in international organizations like the United Nations, ASEAN, and the World Trade Organization. This allows the country to shape global agendas, advocate for its interest, and influence decision-making processes. By actively engaging in these forums, the Philippines can ensure that its voice is heard and that its perspectives are considered in the development